Alright, so in this video, we are going to be factoring a quadratic equation to get its solutions. And in this case, we have an x squared term with no number in front of it, which means that our a term is going to be equal to 1. So in this case, this is the most simple case of factoring. What we want to do is look for factors of our last number that add up to our middle number here. So that means that we're going to look for factors. So look factors of 12 that add up to 18 or add up to 8. So factors of 12, we can say we have 1 and 12, 2 and 6, and then 3 and 4. All of those multiplied together will equal 12. And now we're going to check which one of these add up to 8. So start 1 plus 12, that equals 13. 2 plus 6 equals 8. And then 3 plus 4 equals 7. So, as we see, these two do not add up to 8, but 2 and 6 do. So let's go ahead and break apart our middle term here now into using our two factors. So we will have rewritten this. Our x squared is going to stay the same. So I'll have x squared plus 2x plus 6x plus 12. And then we're going to break both of these apart. So that's what we mean by breaking it apart. We're taking our middle term, our 8x, and breaking it to 2x plus 6x. And so, because we have no term in front of our x squared other than the 1 that's there, we can just go ahead and use those two numbers, 2 and 6, to write our factors. So we can write that as x plus 2 and x plus 6. So now that we have our two factors, we're going to set them equal to 0 and solve to get what our solutions would be. So if we set that equal to 0, the first one will have x plus 2 equals 0, and then x plus 6 is equal to 0. And so we're just going to do our inverse operations here. So subtract 2 from both sides here, and then subtract 6 from both sides here. So our two solutions are going to be x is equal to negative 2, and then x is equal to negative 6. So that's what we're looking for here as our answer when it's asking for our solutions. Also, something to keep in mind, our solutions, another word for those are our x-intercepts, which can also be referred to as zeros or roots.